to change or replace a power supply? Here's where you can find out how. We'll be going through all the steps of removing and reinstalling a new power supply. Follow along. The first step is to turn off your PC. Simply do this by right-clicking on the Windows icon and clicking on Shut Down. Once you have successfully turned off your PC, it is important that you switch the switch on the back of the power supply and remove the cable. Once your power supply is completely off and unplugged, you'll want to remove the screws that hold it onto the case. We recommend putting these in a small cup or container as not to lose them. Once you have unscrewed the power supply, you may now remove the cables that are attaching it to the motherboard. Once you've removed the motherboard cables, you'll want to remove the hard drive cables and any other cables that are still connecting it to the computer. Now it's time to install your new PSU or reinstall the one that you took out. This is basically the reversal of what you just did. You'll want to reinsert the power supply back into the case where it was. Once you've plugged in all your cables, you'll simply want to attach the screws that you unscrewed earlier, and you're almost done. Now all you have to do is switch your power supply back to its on position, and your computer should work.